Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. We are glad to be with all of you once again. If you like digital business and you are an online entrepreneur, you are on the perfect channel for you. We kindly invite you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. On this occasion, we affectionately present to you 4 advantages of video marketing for your business. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy the video. You can be sure that you will learn something new today. Before continuing, let us show you this web page that you will surely need. It is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is the world's largest website for freelancers. Here, just by putting in the search box, we'll have at your disposal hundreds of experts from all over the world in topics such as online store configuration, web page design, editing and video optimization, or the topic you can think of in the service you need. Seriously, when we tell you that it is one of the best tools you will find. In the description of this video, you will find the link that will take you to Fiverr.com. Let's start with the video. Many businesses have realized the potential of video, using it in their promotional campaigns. Along with traditional online marketing strategies, video has become the perfect tool both to seek an increase in traffic and to improve sales. The benefits of video marketing for your company are many. If you are not yet using video marketing in your business, here are 4 reasons why it should be part of your marketing strategy. Number 1. Helps you position yourself as an expert. We live in a moment in which the visual commands above all else, and there is nothing like what you can see with your own eyes. Thanks to the video, you can clearly show the benefits of your service or what your product is capable of. This undoubtedly helps to increase credibility and perceive your product or service as more valuable. Number 2. Improve brand recall. Related to the previous point, those videos that manage to convey emotions with humor, entertainment, controversy, or that have an impact make it easier for the user not only to remember the video, but also to remember the brand when making a purchase decision. Number 3. Accessible for all budgets. With a simple camera and a little ingenuity, it is possible to create a video that captures the attention of your users. Until not so long ago, the only option too expensive were television ads. Television is a platform that reaches millions of users and with a high quality at the level of realization, becoming prohibitive for medium and small companies. However, thanks to video marketing, it is now possible to reach millions of people and also do it more effectively and even more convincingly. In fact, we see how many large companies are allocating part of their budget to creating videos for this type of platform beyond television itself. It is easy to enter YouTube and see how many products and brands use this platform to promote themselves. That is why if you have a business, it is the perfect time to introduce video marketing into your promotion strategy. Number 4. Show your business to a wider audience. YouTube is the 2nd web search engine behind Google and the 3rd most visited website behind the search engine and Facebook. Imagine what it's like for your video to capture a small portion of the billions of page views YouTube gets each month. The very power of the platform, added to the virality of the rest of the social networks, create a perfect cocktail to achieve a wide dissemination of your video content. Promoting a video through channels such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus is within your reach and is a great stimulus to expose your business as well as improve your results. In short, there are no more excuses to start integrating video marketing into your online promotion campaign. You will see how your business appreciates it with an increase in web traffic and an increase in conversions. And that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. We remind you that if you need help with your Shopify, dropshipping, page, or any other platform on Fiverr, you can choose from hundreds of freelancers specialized in design and configuration of online stores, as well as help with your videos for advertisements, content creation for social networks, or any other service you can think of. In Fiverr, you will surely find the solution. We hope this information has been very useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you in a next video. Bye.